super cool juicer is perfect for on the go or just making a smoothie or a juice in the morning. First, what you'll want to do is charge it. It usually takes about 3 to 4 hours to charge, and then it's ready to go. Right here you'll see that it comes with a cleaning accessory and another cleaning accessory as well. To make the juice, simply twist off the top. In this example, I'm going to be using oranges. Peel your orange and place into the container. Replace the lid on the top. Hold the button down. If you weren't looking for a smoothie as thick, you could add some water or milk or some apple juice. This is just what you need for some healthy juices for the upcoming summer season. Fresh made orange juice.